Until 2016, the Happy Birthday song was not for public use. Meaning that prior to 2016, the song was copyrighted, and you had to pay a license to use it. A cluster of bananas is called a hand. Along that theme, a single banana is called a finger. The Hobbit has been published in 2 editions. In the first edition, Gollum willingly bet on his ring in the riddle game.
There is an island called Just Enough Room, where there's just enough room for a tree and a house. People who post their fitness routine on Facebook are more likely to have psychological problems. Nowadays, millionaires with just $1 million aren't considered wealthy anymore by most Americans. Now, the typical American sees at least $2.4 million as wealthy.
When Space Invaders was created, Tomohiro Nishikado left in the lag caused by more invaders on the screen in order to create greater difficulty in the games.